morning, my dear students. Today we will do chapter 4. Okay, worksheet 4 in rough copy and learn it. Let's start. First, we will read it. Worksheet 4, page number 20. Filling the blanks. All of you speak along with me. The northern plains stretch from Punjab in west to Assam in the east. ASSAM, Assam. Okay. The rivers Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra flow through the northern plains. How many rivers basins in the northern plains? 3. Name them: Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra. Okay. The silt brought down by rivers make the northern plains rich and fertile. Okay, fertile. Fourth, the Dash Canal provide water for irrigation in many parts of Rajasthan. Which canal? Indira Gandhi Canal. Which canal provide water for irrigation in many parts of Rajasthan? Indira Gandhi Canal. Okay. Next, the Brahmaputra originate. What is the Brahmaputra? Brahmaputra is a river. Originate in Tibet, where it is called Tsangpo. TSANGPO. All of you learn and write filling the blanks in your rough copy. Okay. See the next exercise. MCQ. Bhakra Nagal. What is the Bhakra Nagal? Bhakra Nagal Dam. Where it is lie? It is lies on Satluj basin. Now see MCQ. Bhakra Nagal Dam lies in Satluj basin. Okay. See the next. The Dash is the largest river. Which is the largest river? Ganga, Satluj, Yamuna, Ganga. Very good. Ganga is the largest river. Okay. Next. Most of people of the northern plains are businessmen, traders, farmers. What is the answer? Farmers. Very good. The northern plains lies in the dash of Himalaya, south, east, north. South of the Himalaya. The northern plains lies in the south of the Himalaya. Delhi and Agra are situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Okay. Now see true false. The northern plains are hilly lands. True or false? Northern plains have flat lands. So this statement is false. The river in the northern plains originate in the Himalaya. Yes, true. The delta formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra is the largest delta in the world. Yes. The climate of the northern plains is mostly hot in summer and cold in winter. Yes. The Yamuna river flows between the Ganga basin and the Brahmaputra basin. False. Okay. Now all of you write, give one word answer in your rough copy and learn it. Now we will do chapter 4. Give one word answers. Okay. Write question number 1. All of you write in rough copy and do in good handwriting. Name the largest delta in the world. Which is the largest delta? Name the largest delta in the world. Which is the largest delta in the world? Yes, come on, tell me. Sundarban Delta. See more to know. Second point. All of you write answer. Sundarban. SUNDERBAN. Sundarban. DELTA. Delta. Okay. All of you write in rough copy and learn it. Name the largest delta in the world. Sundarban Delta. Okay. Now write question number 2. this? Very good. Which region is also known as food bowl of India? Right, question number 2. Which region is known as food bowl of India? Yes. Come on, tell me. I know all of you know the answer. Which region is known as, or which region is called the food bowl of India? Northern Plains. Very good. Northern Plains. The Northern Plains is also called the food bowl of India because a wide variety of crops grown here. So this reason Northern Plains is known as the food bowl of India. So have you done question number 1 or 2? May I raise question number 1? Okay. Now write question number 3. Question number 3. Now we will do question number 3. Name the canal provide water for irrigation in many parts of Rajasthan. Name the canal. Name the canal provides water for, all of you write, water for irrigation in many parts of Rajasthan. Yes. Tell me, which canal? Rajasthan canal or Indira Gandhi canal? All of you write Indira, I-N-D-I-R-A. Indira, G-A-N-D-H-I. Indira Gandhi canal. Indira Gandhi canal provide water for irrigation in many parts of the Rajasthan. Okay. Now write question number 4. How many river basins in the Northern Plains? How many river basins in the Northern Plains? Only write the number. How many river basins? 1 basin, 2 basin or 3 river basins? How many river basins? Yes, come on, 3. TH add 3 basins. Which? Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra. Okay? All of you write, give one word answer in your rough copy and learn it, and do filling the blanks also in rough copy. Okay? Learn with spelling. Okay, now it's time to leave. Your homework is learn worksheet 4 from book and question answer from your notebook. Understand? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.